How to get 70% off Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Temu. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, 80% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and pass it to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers for Temu. To use any of the offer, the process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to these offers. This one website, groupon.com, this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers for Temu. So this way you can easily get up to 70% off Temu coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.